Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete blank space on Filmora application using desktop. To delete blank space on Filmora, the first thing to do is to open up your Filmora app. Go ahead and import a video that you'd like to work on to. Here I've already imported a video clip where you can see a blank space in between. In order to delete the blank space, go ahead and select the gap on the timeline and right-click on it. Now you will be able to see the Ripple Delete button. You can also go ahead and press Shift and Delete altogether from your keyboard in order to Ripple Delete the blank space. After you do that, you will be able to see that you have successfully deleted the blank space from the video clip. By following this method, you will be effectively able to delete unwanted blank space from your Filmora project and keep your timeline tidy. So that's how you delete blank spaces from Filmora in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.